Okay guys, this is the last assignment for English 2 online, so I'm just going to go through it quickly so you know what is expected from this assignment, and then of course I'll post this video, this recording, to the home page of Canvas so you can watch it back anytime as you create or complete the assignment. So this is what you will see on Canvas over here. You will see it says due May 27th by midnight. Same thing as always, it is due on a Wednesday night. What you're doing is reading this excerpt from Anna Karenina. I've got it over here pulled up, so you just read this excerpt. It's only a few pages, and then you're going to answer the multiple choice questions. So as you can see in the assignment, it says make sure to annotate as you read. That just means as you are reading this excerpt, you are making notes. You can use the highlighter tool on PDF Expert or handwrite notes to the side, just something to keep up with what is going on in the story. Okay. Then it specifically says in a separate document, you're going to answer the multiple choice questions, okay? You do not have to type out the question or type out the answer or anything like that. All you have to do in a separate document is put Anna Karenina at the top and your name, and then put 37 and then whatever your answer is. So if you selected A, you would say 37A, 38, 39, 40, 41, so on and so forth. Do not have to type any words. You just want to put your answer. Okay? Pretty easy there. Then, when you get to question number 45, this is a written response, so it is not multiple choice. What you are going to do is on that same separate document that you have all your multiple choice answers, you're going to write number 45. And then you're going to type out your answer. So as you can see, it says you are writing your answer on a separate sheet of paper, and of course your name needs to be on the page. But the idea is that you are looking at paragraph 4 that you read, and you are talking about one specific character. Then it asks you to use evidence from the selection to support your response. What this means is that you are using, like it says right here, quotes from the story. So you go back up to the story and you find paragraph 4. You're going to reread this and then answer the question that it asks and use quotes from the story. Okay, and then in your assignment, it tells you that this answer for number 45 should be about 3/4 of a page long. Okay, and it's on the same document that you have your multiple choice answers. So you are uploading one document. Please do not upload screenshots. Please do not upload pictures, because when these come through, they only come through one picture at a time, and I cannot see your entire assignment. Upload a document. Make sure that it is a PDF or a Google Doc. Okay, do not upload pictures. This should be one document. Cannot say that enough. You can copy and paste your answers in the text box if that's easier, or like I said, a file upload, but it should not be screenshots or any pictures of any kind. Okay, so that's it for the entire assignment. You just read. You have 6 multiple choice questions, and then one short answer, and that is it. That's your final assignment, and that's all you have to upload. If you have any questions about the story itself or the assignment, just reach out to me. You can always catch me quickly with email or join our Zoom next week. All right.